However, upon speaking to the residents of Brisharnot, an enlightenment ushered through as to why they are in support of Star Cement. Angelina Masar, a resident of the area, briefly explained that the support she has for Star Cement is due to the fact that, with the presence of the Star Cement in the area, she witnessed development that actually take place in the area. And she further went on to state that, though she did not get employment in the company, but she could gain profit from those who are employed in the company.
Ilan ni company yo bai kami ambai RPM he time na hapo le thawle phogis nemi yo bai nang khiani kamnu sajabe ukhi ekilang kha ki patho te kit gidi kejat dat kelendang kamai tenado upoi gani ka company wara aja thanya ni te yo wara kibru ilam yo ikau thet kate giri te motor la wara kibru yo yo thet ke giri motor ini ni jing em kam ki de yo baki te iki dami u support ya kate ka Star Cement i hap support ba u imlang i wara apathai chongsuk chongsani.
Another resident, who goes by the name of Kiran Taryang, said, with the allegations that the company is destroying nature, he believes that there is a law for corporate firms to amend the lands and areas that have been mined. Eco-friendly is imperative, as soil degradation, afforestation is an inevitable consequence. But even without mining, the same happens with human recklessness towards nature. Kiran adds that without being on the same boat as with the company, how are they to put food on the table? Closing his thoughts on what he feels about the whole situation, Kiran said that when a company arrived to be established in the district with the permission of the government, it is crystal clear that even a government could comprehend the benefit it would bring towards the region. The Wahechnong of Brisharnot, Stanley Masar, conveys his disappointment over the perpetual chain of disorder and mayhem whenever a public hearing is scheduled, this being the third time. He questioned the state government by asking if the state government have the ability to provide ethical, conspicuous scrutiny for the sake of the people. As compared to the earlier years, almost 100% development came through in the region, which included roads, essentials such as water and such. He further said they are gutted and disappointed. He questioned the intention of these various associations to oppose the public hearing, stating that instead of carrying out such acts, they should have discussed the matter with the residents of Brisharnot in order to find some solutions and for them to comprehend their objectives. He said in dismay that they are of the same community, but the actions of these different associations, without having reasoned with the concerned residents first, is but a desperate act. He appeals the state government to find ways to bring back peace into the region.
Ini gising bahalang tip hanu jing pu yang hanu jing lu ki jing sket ho chwa le kami to si chem jing chwa gi kam ga snong kam ga snong hitai ho pi pediam ini public hearing ye jing mentoy ki to i pradok pas nam dei man yo le kami mung yo tang kulam te kam nu le dei i jing mentoy i tai snong si spa yo jing mentoy negeri company WM ba ki to WM marjan te na terpat ga sarkar wa untuk nak tolong tiga, kedua nak tolong tiga tu koi, yo kita jisuk kita sini, kita